Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this really warm look and it's super easy. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So like always, I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Dark 52. And as soon as I put it on my eyelid, I just start patting it out with this foundation brush from e.l.f. You can use any brush that you like to, but I like to use this one because I don't really like using these brushes for foundation, and I might as well use them because I bought them to get used. So I like to leave it tacky, and as soon as I blend it out, I'm gonna be taking the ItsMyRayeRaye palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Sunset right here, like red shade. And I'm just going to be placing that in the crease on the ColourPop E1 brush. And how I always do it, I just take the brush, I tap it to there, and just pat it in my crease. And build up the color. So with this look, I'm going to go to my inner part and right there at my outer part instead of just leaving it right there. So like you're going to pat some on the outer part and blend it into the crease. Do the same for the inner part. Also guys, I've been uploading since summer started, like 2 days a week. So I will upload Wednesdays and Saturdays at exactly 11 a.m. But when school start back up, I'm just going to be uploading on Saturdays. Because, you know, school. School is more important than YouTube, sadly. Like my grades and stuff. Like maybe like the first week of school is still the schedule's still gonna be the same. But as the school year like progresses on, I'm definitely just gonna be uploading once a week. And I'm sorry if I miss any weeks, as I'm apologizing now, because I know how it gets in school. I know how I get. And hopefully I'll have a job by then. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow's built up, you want to go in with you want to use a e.l.f. blending brush, or that's what I'm using. You can use any brush like this. And you want to take this red from the Morphe 35B. I suggest this red because it's easy to blend. But if you don't have the Morphe 35B, the ColourPop Yes Please also has a red. It just wasn't working with me today. But if it can work with you, if you can make it work, then use that if you don't have it. So I just dip in there and I just place it exactly where I just placed it. Sunset. A small brush. I'm using this e.l.f. crease brush. It's a small detail brush, and I'm gonna be taking this black eyeshadow. It's called Black Beauty from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. Just going there a tiny bit because you know black eyeshadows, they really pigmented. So just one dip in there. I got a little bit on my brush, you can't really see it, but and I'm just gonna tap it more towards like where I will be putting the halo eye and blending it out so it's not super harsh right there. So as you can see, it's getting darker. And I'm gonna go to the outer part, do the same thing, and blend it to like in my crease. So it really blend out that black. I'm sorry if you get it outside, but take the same brush you used the red on and just blend. Now we're gonna do a halo eye. So I always love to use my e.l.f. concealer brush. I know you probably like, then you got a lot of brushes from e.l.f., but they're cheap and they're really good. So that's why I really like them, and I got so many of them. do the halo eye, I'm gonna take the shade Tiffany. This shade right here, let me swatch it. It's like a red shade though. So we're not gonna wet the brush yet. We're gonna take the shade Tiffany and just tap it right all over. You wanna, of course, blend together the darkness. So I'm gonna take that same black brush we used the black one and just blend it, not even adding more black. And to really get a blend, a nice blend, you wanna take the brush you used in the crease and just blend these together. Doing the eyeliner. So I'm gonna take some of my concealer and put it on the back of my hand. I really love this concealer. If you haven't tried it, you really do need to try it. And I'm gonna take a angle brush. I'm just gonna use this one, this pink brush I cut. So you wanna coat one side of it with concealer and the other side and like the point, so it's covered all over. So now for the eyeliner, you want to start off with the point pointing towards your inner corner. And just drag it and make it flatten the brush when you're done with the inner part. Also, you don't want it to be too thick. So then you want to turn the brush over so that the pointy side is pointing towards you. I'm going to get some more product just to make sure. So you want to, like towards your eyeball, you want to draw one line out. Like a straight line like that. And then flip the brush over so that the pointy side is pointing towards out. And connect the wing. And then fill it in. So now you want to go back over where you just put the other concealer. And you want to hurry up and set it. So I'm going to be using this tiny pencil brush. And I'm just going to take the black shade and set that at the inner part. You just want to continue to pat it on so it can blend it out. In black, you want to go on with the red from the Morphe 35B. Blend it over the black first, and then start working outwards. You want to use the shade Sunset, whatever shade you use as the transition. So to fix it, I'm just going to take my concealer brush. Not the e.l.f. one, but a different concealer brush. But you can use any brush you want. I'm just going to take the rest of some concealer that's on the back of my hand on the brush. And just go right underneath where the wing is. To sharpen it. I don't want to add any lashes because I don't feel like it today. But I will add, the lashes that I would add if I was wearing lashes would be these Kiss lashes and Demi Wispies. These ones. They're really pretty. You can check out my Instagram post for them. I just don't feel like putting on lashes today. Also, I'm going to be back to do the lower under eyes. And my face makeup routine will be down below. For the under eyes, I'm just going to take this shade called Carney. It's a purple shade from the Beach Cosmetics ItsMyRayeRaye palette. And I'm going to take this CoverGirl Lookalike Blast eyeliner and put it in my waterline. This Essence Lash Princess mascara. It's the purple one. I love this. So yeah. Okay, so I just took some of the shade Tiffany and I put it underneath the wing, and I'm gonna like draw right over top of it too. I should have did this before, so now it's falling on my face. But yeah, that's basically. I'm gonna fill in the only at the end. So yeah, that's basically the end of the look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more just like it. Also, if you have any ideas on the videos you want me to do, subscribe down below and comment down below. And also, don't forget to like and follow me down below.